Welcome to the IronXL Getting Started tutorial. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a .NET Core console application that loads names from an Excel spreadsheet. Before you start, you should clone the IronXL samples repo and start Visual Studio. Click File, New, Project. Search for console. Select Console App .NET Core and click Next. Name the project and click Create. Right-click on the IronXL demo project and manage NuGet packages. Click on Browse. Type IronXL.xl. Select the NuGet package, click Install, and click OK. Copy an Excel file and paste it into your project. Right-click and go to Properties. Change the build action to Content. Change Copy to Output Directory to Copy Always. I've used the People file from the IronXL samples repo. This is what the People workbook looks like. It has a worksheet named Worksheet, and the A column has the names of people. Let's load a workbook. Double-click on Program.cs. Create a workbook by typing var workbook equals new workbook. Pressing Tab adds the IronXL namespace using. Load the people spreadsheet by its name. Load the worksheet by name with workbook.getWorksheet. Load a range with worksheet.getRange. Specify the range as a string. Iterate through the cells in the range with for each. Get the value of the cell with cell.value and write it to the console with console.writeLine. Now run the app. The names are listed from the spreadsheet. IronXL is always free for development. Want to go live with your project? Licenses start at just $3.99 on ironsoftware.com, or you can get a 30-day deployment trial by emailing our team at developers@ironsoftware.com. For more tutorials and to learn more about the other software solutions, subscribe to our channel below and check out ironsoftware.com. Here are some of the features of the IronXL library. Check out the website for more samples and information.